the ICC is guilty of manipulation.
Dito na lang tayo sa ano po yung overall po ninyong assessment naman sa dyan po sa ICC confirmation of charges hearing laban po kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
As a whole, it is very clear as we witnessed, Attorney Nicholas Koopman demolished completely the arguments of the prosecution. And it gives us hope, parang it gives us a sigh of relief that there is still light in the dark tunnel.
Opo.
Not because that the case is finished, but because the arguments are laid out with precision and discipline. And Attorney Nicholas Koopman has shown to us his deep knowledge of the law, his strategic clarity, and his unshakable composure. Medyo believe tayo sa kanyang performance kasamang Jade at kasamang Advan.
Opo. Doon sa kanyang naging argumento dyan sa ICC confirmation of charges hearing, ano po yung pinakamahalagang punto pong nalaman po ninyo at narinig po ninyo na kumontra doon, no? Sinagot yung mga sinasabi po ng prosekusyon laban po dito sa kaso ng dating Pangulo.
Klarong-klaro na walang ebidensya yung prosecution. Imagine, lumabas pa sila ng video na ngayon ay yung owner ng video ay talagang nagrereklamo kasi unauthorized yun at saka yung video ay talagang spliced na hindi yun ang context ng video na yan. So, the ICC is guilty of manipulation. At nakita natin na yung ebidensya nila ay coming from persons who are not credible because evidence to be believed must not be only credible but it comes from a credible source. So paano maging credible yung mga self-confessed criminals? So by that alone, talagang questionable na yung ebidensya nila. Sa atin pa lang dito yan, yung credibility pa lang ay zero na. So kung ang ating batayan lang yung ating justice system, talagang from the very first instance, the case can be outrightly dismissed. Ang problema lang ngayon, dahil hindi sa atin, nandoon sa foreign tribunal, which is also raises a question of our sovereignty. Now, talagang masakit dahil ang issue on sovereignty ay malagayan as a nation. Paano itong ating functioning courts at saka yung ating institutions na we believe are really healthy and robust, and this is an admission to the whole world na tayo mismo ang sumira sa ating bansa.